welcome to Angie's Kitchen for one more time. Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp with vegetable. So you need some vegetables, you need some shrimp, you need a little bit of onion, you need some spinach to go on top of it, and you need a little seasoning. How about some butter as well? And then with that, I'm going to also use some shrimp sauce. So first I have some oil here that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to saute. I'm going to saute the onions. So I'm going to put it in. And then I'm going to add this seasoning. You can use some all-purpose seasoning. And then we're going to stir. So together we are going to also add the shrimp. I already prepped the shrimp, peeled it, everything is good. And we're gonna stir. Keep stirring until everything is come together. Mix and keep mixing until everything is together. The shrimp looks good. So we can also go ahead and start adding the vegetable. So we're gonna pour some vegetable in. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and add some sauce. You want to just do a little bit of vegetable at a time, so everything is combined. So a little bit of that. So I'm going to change and I'm going to use this. More manageable. We're going to keep stirring. Everything is looking good. Everybody's coming together. Then we're going to add some more vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. But today I'm using a combination of broccoli and peas and corn and carrots. And then we're gonna keep stirring. Looking good. Very colorful as well. Very colorful. Very colorful. Looking good. So I'm also now gonna use some sauce, and I'm just gonna pour it over just to combine. Just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna combine it. This shouldn't take you too long in the kitchen, because you know I don't like to keep you long in the kitchen. Something quick, easy, appetizing. See how the shrimp is nice and chunky? You want to get that nice thick shrimp, those big prawns. Looking good, very good. So at this time, I'm going to also add some more vegetables. Looking amazing. We almost done. We're getting there. Looking good. Very good. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some spinach for the final touch. You know, spinach is not hard to cook, so you don't want to do it in the first part. And then on that, I'm going to add some butter. So we're going to combine, we're going to stir and combine the spinach. Looking good, looking good. The green and the other color of the vegetables. What a combination. You want the butter just to melt for flavor. And at the bottom, we're gonna come from the bottom and we're gonna stir it up. Until the butter is all melted. Looking good. At this time, I'm gonna just go ahead and add the rest of the sauce. So we're gonna drizzle it over, and then we're gonna go ahead and combine. The shrimp sauce is very good. You can use any sauce, seafood sauce of your choice. It's just for flavor. And at this time, we're almost done. So all you have to do is to just combine and keep stirring. And everything looks beautiful. Beautiful. Come from the bottom, stir it up, keep stirring. Very good. See, the spinach is on top. And we are almost done. Almost done. Very good. You should see the color. Beautiful. You don't want the spinach to get... I like my spinach a little bit on the crunchy side and all my veg, so I'm not going to... I don't want it to get too soggy. So... great. So I'm going to plate some now. And I'm going to try it. This can be had by itself. It's just a one-pot meal. You have some vegetable, you have some shrimp. You just want to throw it in, all in, and just combine, and your meal is served. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to try. I like broccoli, so. Try it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.